Hi there. I'd like to tell you a little bit about one of my favorite beauty tools. I'm Lisa Eddy, and I'm a licensed esthetician and have been so for, gosh, close to 25 years now. And I've been using the Revenir, I think, for about 7 or 8 years now. I've been using it personally, I've been using it professionally, and I've been selling them. And my clients absolutely love them. So, this is what the Revenir unit is. And it does many things, but one of the features I'm going to talk about is that the Revenir actually micronizes the pharmaceutical grade vitamin C that comes with it. So that is unbelievably beneficial. I can't even explain to you how much, because so many vitamin C's, well, it sounds good in theory, all the benefits of vitamin C, so many of the vitamin C's on the market are not actually getting into the skin where the repair happens. A lot of times, the vitamin C's that we are putting on topically in a serum form, even from an esthetician or a doctor, are only getting into like the second or fifth layer at best. So when we are able to micronize the vitamin C like that, studies have shown that the Revenir allows it to get to the eighth and ninth layer of the skin. And that is incredible and really where the repair happens. So some of the benefits then can be real true brightening with discoloration or pigment issues, tightening, firming, and that dewy, glowy look that you get when you are building collagen, which is also what you're doing with vitamin C. So, but some of the downfalls of vitamin C serums that I was saying, not only can they not really penetrate, but they actually sit on the surface of the skin. And that can cause incredible irritation for sensitive skin people. So not only are they then not getting the benefit of being able to use an incredible product and see the results reversing damage, preventing damage, but now they're actually causing damage and irritation, right, from the product sitting there. So I can't tell you how many happy clients I've had who are like, oh my gosh, I can actually now use vitamin C. And oh my gosh, this is not irritating me. Because there are a lot of people that are really sensitive, and partially because we're incredibly stressed out these days, and because there are so many other factors that are sensitizing our skins. So this has been an absolute blessing for so many, including my sensitive skin people. So I wanted to share that with you. And I know that sometimes it's like you don't even know what you should be using. So what I offer are virtual skincare consultations so that you can be in the comfort of your own home, and we can log on face to face and see what it is that you actually need for your skin. I can be reached at www.lisaeddy.com. That's lisaeddy.com. I look forward to serving you. Have a lovely day.